The role of education in preparing accountants for the future. The accounting industry is transforming significantly due to rapid technological advancements and the increasing demand for data-driven insights. As the role of accountants continues to evolve, Julianne Chandler stresses a growing need for professionals with diverse skills and competencies to meet future demands. In the digital age, the role of accountants has expanded beyond traditional bookkeeping and financial reporting. Today, accountants are expected to be strategic advisors, providing valuable insights to drive business growth and decision-making. Education plays a critical role in closing the skills gap in the accounting industry. To bridge the skills gap, educational institutions must adapt their curriculum to include a broader range of skills and competencies. This includes training in data analytics, critical thinking, problem-solving, and communication. In addition to technical accounting skills, accountants will need several key skills and competencies to succeed in the future. As businesses generate increasing volumes of data, accountants must be able to extract meaningful insights from this data to inform decision-making. Educational institutions must embrace technology to provide students with hands-on experience using the prevalent tools and software in the industry. This includes learning to use accounting software, data analytics tools, and emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence. Continuous professional development is essential for accountants to stay relevant and competitive in the evolving accounting industry. As technology advances and new regulations are introduced, accountants must continually update their skills and knowledge. Professional development programs, such as workshops, conferences, and online courses, allow accountants to learn new skills, network with industry professionals, and stay current with industry trends. By investing in continuous professional development, accountants can enhance their career prospects and remain valuable assets to their organizations.